Here's how to record your computer screen and audio using OBS Studio. So first of all, launch your OBS Studio and go to OBS settings. In settings, select output. In here, come to this recording section. Click on browse next to recording path and select the location where you want to export your recording. And then click on recording format and select here a recording format for your OBS. And now click on apply and click on OK. Now come to this sources section. In here we have to add our computer screen. So click this plus icon, and to record your computer screen, the best option is select display capture. Click on OK. And now click on this display drop down and select your current display. To record your computer screen with cursor, you can just check capture cursor option and click on OK. And here we can see our screen successfully added. If you want, you can resize your computer screen. You can move it anywhere you want, just like this. So I'm going to record my entire screen. Okay. Now to add our audio, again we have to click on this add source. Now to record your computer output sound, you have to select here audio output capture. Click on OK. Now click this device drop down and select your computer output device or your speaker. Click on OK. Now if you want to record your computer screen with your microphone audio, then again click on add source. And now we have to select here audio input capture. Click on OK. And now select here your microphone, which microphone currently you are using to speak, and click on OK. And here we can see I've added my computer screen, I added my computer output sound, and I've added my computer input device here. Now it's time to record our computer screen. So just click on start recording. And here we can see the recording successfully started. Once started, you can minimize your OBS Studio. And now you can do whatever you want. You can browse in a website, you can actually play game, and OBS is recording your entire screen in background. And to stop recording, go back to your OBS Studio and click on stop recording. And here we can see the recording saved in this location. To view your recently saved recordings, click on file and click on show recordings. And here you will find all your screen recordings. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.